Stream, making home cleaning easier and perfect car wash equipment. Our hose and lance installation system have quick and efficient results in no leakage of water. Any water source near you can be pumped and used as a water supply. Our pressure washer is fixed with a bored hose reel. It's a built-in detergent system to wash any surface or object without wasting time or energy. Our Stream car washing machine has extremely high pressure power. This much power allows you to wash off even the thickest layers of mud very easily. And our spray gun is supplied with 4 different easily connectable nozzles. Each goes with a different angle and pressure power. Our pressure washer is perfect for cleaning any outdoor surface, starting from house windows, outdoor patio, driveways, backyard, heavy-duty cleanings, and of course cars.